Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY. After the market opening, we can see the continuation of the selling pressure on the chart of DXY. My dear friends, I'll try to keep the video short because I do not want to repeat the same stuff. So if you are looking for detailed analysis of Euro USD, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, I'll just talk about the important levels that we need for today and tomorrow. Okay, so DXY. Okay, DXY right now trading at 102.63. DXY was almost standing at the support when we made the video on Saturday, and remember I told you that though DXY is standing at the support, but buyers do not have the power, buyers do not have the strength to take the market up. As a result, market broke the support, and we can see right now DXY trading at 102.64. so this is how you need to understand the body language of the market. Okay, anyways, DXY is approaching the most important support of 102.40 to 102 level. This is a very critical support zone for DXY, because if DXY breaks this support level, there may be a possibility of a complete trend reversal. But as long as DXY is maintaining its position above 102.40, 102 level, we will still consider this as a correction only. So as DXY is approaching a very critical support here, there's a high chance of market bouncing from this level here. So if DXY bounces, if DXY successfully takes support around this particular level here, okay, then again there will be selling pressure on Euro USD, GBP USD. But if DXY somehow breaks this support and starts falling, then yes, we will see further upside on Euro USD and GBP USD as well. So DXY's position, DXY's next movement will be very important. So if you trade on any USD pair, not only Euro USD, if you trade on any USD pair, please keep your one eye on DXY. Okay, it will be very important for you. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD, as we have already discussed that Euro USD this is a resistance zone here, and as you can see right now the Euro USD is facing some sort of selling pressure here. But my dear friends, again I'll say one thing, that this is our hard-earned money, so it's our responsibility to protect it. And as of now, due to the uncertain conditions of the market, I'll suggest you not to take any position. But if you have already taken a sell position, okay, then you can be on the trade, because we have a resistance. But yes, is it a very reliable one? No, this is not a very reliable one. The only reliable resistance, I think, on the chart of Euro USD is the green line that I have drawn here, the level of 1.0640 to 1.0650. I have already discussed this level because this level has witnessed strong price rejection previously, and we also have the 200 moving average as the dynamic resistance. So if we combine both the factors here, there's a high chance that market will face some selling pressure. But yes, market is independent. Okay, market as we all know, market is extremely unpredictable. Okay, so you must get the confirmation first. No level is permanent in the market, but our capital protection should be our first priority always. So when market will hit this level, look at the chart of DXY. If DXY is at the support level at the same time, there is a high chance that DXY will bounce from the support and Euro USD will be reversing from the resistance zone here, and you can take a sell position. How you'll get the confirmation on the chart of Euro USD? You will get a confirmation in the form of a shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, bearish pin bar, or any good price rejection from above in this level. In this level will give you the confirmation that sellers are present and you can go for a sell position. But already if you have taken a sell position, you can be on the trade, but not a reliable one. And whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. If possible, try to use the position size calculator, because we are traders, not gamblers. Okay, and as I have already discussed in my previous video, that Under normal circumstances, we have multiple layers of support here. The first one is 1.1.1.05051. If market comes down, if the selling price is not high enough, if there is only correction, then we can hope for a bounce here. And if market breaks it, then the next support will be 1.0510. Okay, so please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, if I'll also paste the link in the description box. Okay, so right now as market is just going up, let's hope that market will reverse and we will get a selling position. And in case market comes down, we will look for a buy around this level. Okay, if market bounces. So observation is extremely important. Actually, observation is the only thing that sets apart a trader from a gambler. A trader observe and then take a trade, whereas gamblers just look at the halchal of the market. They just look at the they just listen to their, what do we call it, adrenaline rush. Anyways, hopefully you've understood. Please be careful. These are the three support here, but these three supports are not much strong enough. They will only work in case of just correction only under normal circumstances. In case of a heavy selling pressure, market will not be able to hold the support. Okay, watch the video of Saturday. Okay, you will get the complete picture. Okay, bye bye, take care.